I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick video on this panel that I created to help automate a crushing operation, so the operator doesn't have to go from location to location to start up all the conveyors and equipment. It'll all be handled from a single auto switch now. They'll still have the option to run it in auto or hand if they need to start and stop individual items. Otherwise it'll be nearly fully automated in the auto, just a single start stop. And all the lights over here are for whirligigs, basically a 0-speed sensor. Each conveyor is going to have at least one speed sensor or 0-speed sensor, whatever you want to call it. So basically the PLC will be monitoring the 0-speed sensors that'll all be up here, and then these down here are push buttons that also light up. So they'll also be monitored. The conveyors will also be monitored by a vindicator. So if the material starts backing up, slipping on a belt, or belt starts slipping, it'll trip the paddle that goes on the end of this. There's a 3-second delay I integrated into the program. As time goes on, you'll get material built up on these paddles, and you'll get intermittent signals from them, just a quick flicker. So I wired these that if it does even just for a quick second flicker, so each vindicator has an isolation relay and then a holding relay. So I'm using the push button basically as a holding circuit, so if it does flicker for just a second, it's not long enough to shut them down, but they'll know that they're having an issue with one of the vindicators, and they'll be able to pinpoint it, whereas manufacturers like to run all their vindicators in series, so when the circuit trips you have no idea which one it is, and it could be a time-consuming process to eliminate exactly which one is giving you the problems. These are just isolation relays for all of the whirligig lights. And then these are my outputs all here. All my inputs come here, 110. And then my power supply for the e-stop light, which I'm still waiting for another one. Basically just a little e-stop light, lights up when you push the e-stop in. Tested everything, tested the program, and then I also tested it with my little simulator, which I did find a couple little wiring issues, minor, and then that's why I always test it with the little simulator to test all the wiring, plus the program eliminates any and all problems. So even after all my programming is complete, after I finish all my wiring, I'll do my test on the computer to verify the program is working as it should, and I still will also wire in to my little simulator to test all the inputs. That also verifies all my wiring is good up to this point for all the inputs and outputs of the field wiring. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below, and thanks for watching.